Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys 4 sites that will help you take your Etsy shop to the next level. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe today and check out my Etsy course. I will leave the link in the description box below, where I teach you how to start a digital shop on Etsy from scratch. So don't forget to check that out and give me some love by liking this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So my favorite platform that I always recommend for anyone out there doing an Etsy shop, and whether you sell printables, whether you sell digital items or printable items, is Creative Market. Now, Creative Market, you'll be able to bring any type of project to life with over 3 million, I said it right, 3 million unique fonts, graphics. They have themes, they have photos and templates. And these are designed by independent creators all around the world, which is really, really cool. So, whatever your niche you're in and you're trying to open and create projects, you could literally go in here and you could look at graphic designs, you could look at templates, you could look at web themes, fonts, add-ons for Photoshop, InDesign, Lightroom, etc. And they have so many amazing things. If you need to buy clip art, all you could do is do a quick search, and these are all the beautiful clip art that they sell for you to create your beautiful projects that you could sell on Etsy. Now, keep in mind that I highly recommend for all of these sites that we'll be talking today, before you purchase anything, I think the two most important factors are make sure that you're reading the licensing terms to make sure that you are abiding by Creative Market or any of the other sites that I'm talking about. And the second thing is make sure that whatever file you're buying is compatible with the software you use. Some of these files are JPEG and PNG, which are perfect. You could pretty much use that in any software like Canva or Adobe if you're a little bit more an advanced learner. However, some are just strictly for, let's say, Photoshop only. So just keep in mind when you're browsing, when you click on the actual file, it will tell you if this product, what the product is compatible with. And these are all the things that the product is compatible with. Photoshop included, Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop Elements, other, and then it has PNG and JPEG. So this is a good product, is well-rounded. You could use it in many different platforms, which is really nice. So that's one of the tips that I always recommend. But they have beautiful items that will help you create anything that you're looking for. Let's say you need mock-ups for any of your products. That way you could display them on Etsy. They have amazing mock-ups from socks to signs to picture frames to wedding signs, and the list goes on and on and on. You could get very specific and just type up here what you're looking for. So if you are in the wedding industry, you could just click wedding and it will come up with all the wedding stuff. And these are just, it just makes your products look a lot nicer. Product presentation is really important when you're selling on Etsy. You could have a great product, but if you don't take a good photo, no one will want to buy. So it's that simple. So having these beautiful mock-ups so you could showcase your products is really, really nice. So making sure that you read what does this product, how can you use this product, and what is it compatible with, and making sure that you read the personal, commercial, and extended licensing. You could click here and it tells you the difference between all three. But this is a great site to find beautiful products like this. Now, the second site I want to talk about is called the Hungry JPEG. And this is one of my other favorite sites that I purchase bundles. I'm going to leave all the links below in the comment section, as well in the link description below this video. And the Hungry JPEG offers like users like thousands of premium graphic design resources. So it's really, really cool. And another nice thing about the Hungry JPEG is that if you are in a tight budget, they have the dollar deals, and you're able to buy basically cheap like fonts and graphic design for just $1, which is really, really cool. So you could do the bundle packages if you wanted to. And it shows you the different bundle packages. So this is one for Christmas. And it's a bundle package you get for $17. They usually have like an end date if you are interested in getting them. And these are all the things you get with it. So it's really, really cool. If you want to know what's included, you just click on the photo and it will show you like a bigger screen so you can kind of see it a little bit better. It usually tells you on the screen here also what you're getting with it. So this one you're getting like 30 clip bars, 7 patterns, 7 frames, 3 compositions, etc. So you're able to do it that way. Let me get out of this. And you're also able to click here and go on the bottom right here, and you're able to see all of them individually. And it tells you what each of them bring, and it has additional photos. Look how beautiful these are. You could use this for any project that you might want to start for Christmas. And right here it tells you everything that comes included, commercial licensing, and lifetime guarantee, which is nice. What that means, lifetime guarantee, is that a lot of times when you buy clip art, you could only you buy the clip art and you could only sell to a certain amount of sales. After that, you're supposed to buy another licensing term to be able to reuse those clip arts over and over and over. When you buy through the Hungry JPEG, majority, I'm not saying all, majority of them have the lifetime guarantee, which means that you buy it one time and you don't have to rebuy the licensing terms over and over and over, which means you could do as many unlimited projects you would like with all of these clip arts. But as you can see, you get a lot and they're really beautiful, and you can use them for pretty much anything that you want to create. You just have to be creative, basically. But they're very, very beautiful, as you can see. You get all of these that you could do stuff with. So I recommend that you go and check them out. They have amazing things that you could start using them for any types of projects. And they give you ideas so you could have an idea as well on how you could use them. So that's my second one. And then make sure that you check out the dollar deals. These are all the dollar deals. They have clip art, they have patterns, they have fonts. So you just got to kind of go through them and see. Sometimes they have stuff that you might have liked before, and now they have it on special. So you could just definitely buy it now for $1. So they have a lot of stuff. So this is a font here. So they have a lot of things that you could look at to kind of get ideas if you want to buy any of these for just $1. Now, the next website I want to talk about is called craftbundles.com. And they offer a wider range of SVG and DXF cut files, like images and cutting files that you are perfectly for basically any type of craft projects that you want to start. But this is a really cool website if you're looking for SVG and DFF, it's particular for those two items. They also offer a dollar deal, just like Hungry JPEG, where you could buy like fonts and graphic designs for $1. And this is kind of like what you get. They have the bundle packages. You basically click on the one that entices you. And then it tells you like what comes included. You could click on more, and then it will give you every single thing that comes included. So if you are into astrology and horoscopes, this one might be a good fit for you. It just depends on what you're looking for, but they have tons of beautiful items. And then if you go to the dollar section, they have all of these here. And they also have free bundles. So a lot of these websites offer free bundles like once a month, or free stuff like free goods once a month. I highly recommend making sure that you follow up with that, because you could rank a lot of free stuff all the time. But you could come here and you could pretty much click on what you're interested in. These are just $1. And you could use these I have used these for actual pictures and printables and stuff like that. It really depends. You could use it on shirts, on mugs, on pretty much anything you want to add it on. But the list goes on and on and on, and they do have a lot of great stuff. Now, this is another website I wanted to mention because this one ultimately has a lot of like, the price will be a little bit more, but they have so many cool things that you could do. It's called AndVital, and basically it takes your ideas and takes it to the next level basically. So you're able to buy professional digital assets, resources, and services. Now, with AndVital, they have different pages, I guess you could call them. So they have all of these right here. And they have AndVital Market, which is where you could get digital assets. They have 3.6 million, which is really big. They have AndVital Tuts, which is like a tutorial and courses. So if you're trying to learn something new for your Etsy shop, maybe for social media, to kind of take your business to the next level, they have a lot of courses in here. If you're trying to launch a website, let's say you want to create a website for your Etsy shop that requires no coding, is very simple to use, you come here. If you're trying to do elements, then you go here, and they have created assets for elements. If you want to hire someone to do your website or to do some type of project, you could do this one, AndVital Studio. They had, this one is Mixkit. This is a new one. They have beautiful art, videos and stuff that you could use. And then this one is Place It by AndVital. You could create designs, logos, videos, and mockups. This one might be, this one and these two right here, unless you're planning to launch like your own website, might be the two that you might use the most. And Milkshake is pretty neat. I wanted to talk about it as well. But when you come here, you open a new window. Let's see. You're able to, so let's get started so you could kind of see it. Let's see if it lets me. It took me out of it. So let me go to Place AndVital. Okay, so that's what I didn't do right. So this is the actual site. And as you can see, they have hoodies where you could do mockups. So they have over 251 hoodies. They sell logos. So if you're looking for a logo for your Etsy shop, they have logo templates for gaming. They have t-shirt mockups. These are some of the examples of the things that they offer that you could put your image on top of. They have like templates for your social media. They have Instagram story templates that you could use as well, especially if you're running ads or specials. They have for the mugs. So you pretty much could use this for your Etsy shop. They have a lot of different stuff that you probably haven't seen. And a lot of people don't know about AndVital. They always go to Creative Market. So if you want to make a store that your pictures look different than everyone else's on creative, on Etsy, and you want to make something a little bit more eye-catching, something with different photos that not every single person is using, I recommend AndVital because no one really uses it. In Etsy, I'm saying. In other platforms, I do see a lot of bloggers, etc. But when it comes to Etsy sellers, they don't really know about the site. So you'll have an advantage because you'll have unique photos like this that you could showcase your items that no one else out there have. So therefore, you're gonna stand out from the crowd basically, versus buying the same images on Creative Market that maybe everyone else buys. So it's having a fun, picture like this one here, or having a fun picture like this. And you could use these for your Instagram. And they have real people. They have different types of people, which is really nice because you can market yourself a little bit better, I think. And these are all the cool stuff that you could get. But you could come here. You could kind of shop through. They have different things as well, different categories. So these are all for the mugs. And they're just different. These are really, really nice. You could use them for social media. You could use it for your Etsy shop. You could use it for, like this will be a good Pinterest pin because it's tall. So this will be another good Pinterest pin because it's tall. So just keep that in mind. It's a great site. They have so many resources. Another cool thing that they have is Milkshake. And I already had clicked on it and I wanted to show you guys. You can make basically Instagram websites. So you could take an Instagram story and add your website link, or you could technically add your Etsy shop links. So this is like a Instagram story here. And it says, my site, contact me, mentor sessions, personal blog, blah, blah, blah. So you could do this, post it on your Instagram story and add links. So you could say my Etsy shop, contact me, click to get discount, and that could take them to like an opt-in page where you collect an email and they get like 25% on their purchase, personal blog, my Pinterest, etc. And you could just kind of like maybe, make it to whatever you want basically. But this is really cool because you could bring a different twist to your Instagram account. So they have cool stuff like this. You could check it out. They have a lot of things that you've never seen, or things that you never heard about, and when you go in here you're like, this is so cool. They have free information like how to stand out from Instagram, how to plan your Instagram content, stuff they don't teach you about Instagram. I mean, they have so many stuff. There's one milkshake site I highly recommend going in there and kind of exploring it. But basically in here overall, they have so many cool stuff to take your business basically to the next level. I highly recommend it, checking it out, going in here, playing around with it, and seeing every little website that they have, all 6 of them, to see if you find something new that you might be like, oh, this is interesting. I could start using this to promote my Etsy store. This could be a new way to promote it in a different way so you could stand out. You could do an Instagram story with all the links and then do an Instagram ad, like run that as an Instagram ad, that or Instagram story ad. That way, when you are running the ad, people are actually clicking and landing on those pages versus you saying click on the bio link and people never do, or they don't know how to get away from Instagram story to go back to your profile, and then you lose that traffic. So it's really, really cool. Wanted to share with you guys these amazing sites. Make sure that you leave a comment below. Let me know if you've heard of them before or not. And don't forget to like this video and share this video. Thank you guys for watching.